texture.
Yes, a lift is exclusive. You'll come.
Yeah, these are.
The gated lift.
Lift. Yes. Yeah, I want to aim for some reason.
Ground floor.
Okay, so these lifts in ANZ seem to apparently like they're the same brothers escalators. There's actually access up to the same brothers via these lifts, and I hope they're not more Schindlers because I've seen too many of those. And well, as I got a question, are they Schindlers? Wait, no, they're not Schindlers. They're OTIS ReGen drives. Oh yeah, with what this floor indicator and everything. That's great. What are you waiting for? So, yeah, that's kind of like the OTIS Gen 2 indicator, just slightly on our home. And yeah, let's go. What do you got? This lift. So let's go. Let's try to go to 3. Yeah, we can go to 3. Yeah, this is something different, sir. OTIS ReGen drives. Yeah, you can get to Hillstone Brothers via level 1. That's nice.
So what were we on?
Oh look, the ReGen light works! We're on the ground floor, sir. We're at 3.
That's quite quick.
Yep, sure is. You're at ANZ office, so we might get on.
Hello.
Hello. And does the ReGen light come on the way down? It shouldn't.
Why?
Huh, because it's not doing the readings stuff, whatever it is. That's nice as well. We got ground. Yeah, what's a similar?
So ReGen.
It's a ReGen drive. So yeah, I haven't actually seen that before. That's very interesting. Watch it go. That's it.